Previous class we studied about the heart and the blood also we have studied. Okay, now today we are going to study about the blood vessels. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are three types. That is the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. Let them name the three columns and you can study them in a table. सबसे पहले we study the direction of blood flow. Artery takes the blood away from heart. Veins brings blood to the heart. And capillaries blood from arteries to vein. Kind of blood. Arteries carries oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, which carry deoxygenated blood. Vein carries deoxygenated blood. Except pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood. Third, in lungs and in tissues, gases are exchanged by capillaries. In in lungs, it gives out carbon dioxide and picks oxygen, and in tissues, gives oxygen and picks carbon dioxide. Okay. Next is the wall thickness. This is having thickest wall. It is thin. It is having thinnest wall. Then human size, human content, that is the diameter of the inside. So I said thick walls. The wall thick always the diameter inside shows out. This is the diameter. So I just otherwise you will get confused. So this is the diameter. The human is narrow. Vein में उतनी बड़ी vein अगर बनाते हैं तो सिर्फ walls are thin, तो ये हो गई broad and ये तो हुआ narrow West. Narrow west. Human size हो गया. Elasticity. Most elastic. The muscles will make it more elastic here. Because this is less elastic and least elastic. Next person, valves या absent. Here also it is absent. Here it is present. Okay. और valves क्या करेंगे कि जब नीचे से ब्लड ऊपर जा रहा है when the blood is flowing from down to the up, so now our heart is not like a pump, water pump. आपके सबके घरों में वाटर पंप है, स्पेशली इन द कूलर. तो कूलर है या घर में वाटर पंप है ना, वाटर पंप क्या कर रहा है, इट इज कंटिन्यूसली थ्रोइंग वाटर. If you open that tap, you'll find that there is a continuous flow of water in the same pace. एक ही जैसे फ्लो में आ रहा है. बट हार्ट क्या करता है ना, हार्ट एक बार कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा फिर रिलैक्स, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिलैक्स, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिलैक्स. सो एज इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स इट पुश द ब्लड and when it gets relaxed, then no blood. फिर contract more blood, फिर no blood. फिर more blood, फिर less blood. फिर more blood, फिर less blood. So when there is more blood, so वो आए यहाँ से यहाँ तक. फिर आया less blood. So when heart is not exerting pressure, this blood may fall down. So in that case, the gravity is pulling down it downwards. So the blood which is there in our legs will never be able to rise up. तो उसके लिए क्या किया ना, भगवान हमारे कितने समझदार, उन्होंने क्या किया, यहाँ पे वॉल्व्स लगा दिए. तो when the blood comes, जैसे इधर जा रहा है आ सकता है, जैसे ही उधर आने लगेंगे the valves will close. फिर जब नेक्स्ट हार्ट में पंप किया, the blood goes up and no sooner the ventricles come relaxed, blood flows down, the valve closes. ठीक है. So this is how the blood can easily move up and up. ठीक है. So this is a beautiful arrangement found only in the leg muscles, leg veins. ठीक है. So these are the differences of arteries, veins and capillaries. Next we will do the blood circulation. Circulation what does the circulation means? That is the same blood is going and coming and going and coming. यहाँ पे हार्ट रख लीजिए, यहाँ से घूम के वापस हार्ट में आएंगे, फिर घूम के वापस हार्ट में, again and over again and again. It will flow throughout our life. Such a type of system when the blood continue to move in a circular path, not circular means not geometric के हिसाब से circular नहीं, but in a path where it is repeatedly flowing, it is called circulation. ठीक है. तो इसको हमने circulation का नाम, circulation is of two types. Circulation is of two types. Open blood circulation and closed blood circulation. Open blood circulation where there is no arteries, veins and capillaries. Heart is there, it brings the blood and the blood flows in the cavity, in the body cavity. and the body cavity is known as hemocoel. ठीक है, तो कृष्ण भाटिया क्या कर रहे थे? कृष्ण भाटिया क्या कर रहे हैं? Are you noting down my notes or something you are doing? Anyway, कुछ भी करो. As long as you are at home, your parents must be knowing about it. Suppose in the कोई कीड़ा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा इसमें हार्ट बना देते हैं, यहाँ पे बना देते हैं हार्ट. वैसे they got many heart. Now they will take the blood और यहाँ लाके blood को छोड़ देंगे. So now the blood goes to all over the body and again it goes into the cavity. There is no artery, no veins. कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? And then again they enter into heart. So such a type of system in which the blood flows continuously in entire body cavity or hemocoel is called open blood circulation, and all the invertebrates except annelids have this type of blood circulatory system. ठीक है? All the invertebrates except annelids have open blood circulation. They lack arteries and veins. Hearts are there, one or more heart. Those hearts are actually pumping device. They will be receiving blood. ठीक है? And ये blood वहाँ से घूमता घूमता फिर then again it will be into the body cavity. From body cavity जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Zero. And these are no arteries, no veins, no capillaries. Blood is flowing open in this system. So such a type of thing is called the open blood circulation, found in all invertebrates except annelids. बात करते हैं क्लोज ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. कैन बी ऑफ टू टाइप. सिंगल ब्लड सर्कुलेशन and double blood circulation. Single blood circulation जैसे मच्छी को ठीक है, यहाँ हार्ट and blood will be flowing from here and coming from here and going from here. There will be artery, there will be vein, there will be capillaries, but there is a single heart and the blood flows into this closed system. ठीक है, यहाँ से गया, इधर से गया, इधर से गया, इधर से गया. एक ही बार के अंदर वो oxygenate भी होता है into the gills and then it goes to all over the body and then collects back deoxygenated blood gills into the gills where exchanges will take place. एक ही बार चक्कर काटता है. अब वो समझने के लिए आपको you will have to pay attention on the double blood circulation which is found in humans. So let us study the double blood circulation which is found in humans. ये डायग्राम देख लेना. अगर आपने एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं बनाया तो I have full freedom to cut your diagram. Don't say sir हमारे मार्क्स नहीं मिलते, jealousy रखते हैं, हमको ये रखते हैं. देखिए, अगर आप सही तरह से सीखेंगे नहीं, if you don't learn to drive properly, you will meet with an accident. I don't want you to lead to some accident. आज दिख रहा है आपको कुछ ऐसा ही इस पार्ट में. Which part is this? This is right. Now, left atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle, right ventricle. ओके, यहाँ पे आपके बाकी सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं, लंग्स, लिवर, किडनी, ब्रेन, इंटेस्टाइन, लेग्स, हैंड्स, एक्सेट्रा। उनको सबको मिला के हमने बॉडी को and just representing them with this system. और oxygenation कहाँ हो रहा? In the lungs. We have made the lungs like this. The blood collected from all over the body, deoxygenated blood, first goes and open into right atrium. From right atrium it goes to right ventricle. From right ventricle it goes to pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery will take it to lungs. So ये क्या है? PA pulmonary artery. ये क्या है? BC one artery. Now this oxygenated blood opens into left atrium by pulmonary vein, and then from pulmonary vein it goes to left atrium, from left atrium it goes to left ventricle, then through aorta it comes out, and then it goes to all over the body. उसके नीचे से आया है, मिक्स मत कर देना. It is coming from down, and then it goes to body. ठीक है? The oxygenated blood I made with dots. The oxygenated blood goes into the tissues and खत्म ऑक्सीजन. यहाँ डीऑक्सीजनेटेड. ये क्या है? डीऑक्सी oxygenated blood. इधर से आ गया, open into right atrium, then to right ventricle, to the lungs, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, and then aorta. So that is AORTA. So what is the special thing here? That is in one complete circulation. Suppose starting from here, यहाँ सोच लेता हूँ, यहाँ पे मेरा कोई ब्लड का एक मॉलिक्यूल पड़ा है, एक RBC. This RBC of the blood will first go and enter into right atrium, then right ventricle, then it left the heart. Only half side of the heart it traveled and then it left. Then it goes to the lungs and then again it enter into the left side, left atrium, left ventricle, again left it. Then it will to body and capillary. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक one circulation. In one complete circulation, blood enters and leaves heart 2 times. In one complete circulation, blood enters and leaves heart 2 times. Such a circulation is known as double circulation. ठीक है? And a circulation in which blood flows only once in the what do you call this यहाँ पर, that is called single blood circulation. Double blood circulation and single blood circulation is clear to you? 4 मिनट का टाइम है, तब तक हम डबल ब्लड सर्कुलेशन से टाइप DBC has two, right? एक to the lungs, इसको कहेंगे pulmonary circulation, and to the body, which is known as systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है? Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery taking into lungs, then it opening into pulmonary vein, going into right atrium, left atrium, then to right, left ventricle, aorta, body, vena cava, and right atrium, right ventricle. ठीक है, तो हम इसको पहले यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये तो हो गया पल्मोनरी एंड यहाँ से यहाँ तक का हो गया here to here it is oxygenated blood. This side is because it is clean part. So this side it will be oxygenated blood. And here it will be deoxy. वो कट जाता वो कट जाता बाकी मेरा सर बन So that's for double circulation. Double circulation in the one circulation in which one complete circulation blood passes from heart two times. Once it goes to the lungs called pulmonary circulation, then it goes to the body called systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation begins from the left ventricle. When the left ventricle contracts, blood goes into deoxygenated blood goes to pulmonary artery. Then it goes to the lungs, where it gets oxygenated. Then it from the pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood comes to left atrium. From left atrium it goes to left ventricle. Then aorta takes it to all the body. Oxygen is given out, carbon dioxide is taken. Deoxygenated blood is become vena cava, takes it back to right atrium. Then again it will process the same way. जिंदगी में ऐसे चलेगा. What is the advantage? Why the higher organ like birds and mammals have double circulation? Birds and mammals have double circulation in order to prevent the oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods mixing. So the blood of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood never mix together, and the body will be having better supply of oxygen. Each and every cell will get better supply of oxygen. Hence, what will happen? There will be more efficiency. So you people can run more, you people can walk more, you people can do more activities. Birds can take flight. Okay? So all this will be made possible only if the pure oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood are separated. That's all for today, children, and enjoy your day. Good day.